Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the ABM Sankalpa series. In the Sankalpa series, we are covering important theory, numericals, and case studies as well. So today we'll be covering probability. We'll be covering the theory of probability plus we'll be covering some numericals. So watch the video till the end, and importantly, follow the whole series because we are covering various subjects in this, various topics in this. Okay. Now this series is not only for ABM, it is for other subjects as well. So that's why follow the complete series. Okay. So let's start without wasting the time. What will be the schedule of the session? So we'll be talking of types of probability, that is the theory part. And then we'll be talking of probability numericals. Okay. So let's start. First, types of probabilities. Everyone, before that, how many of you have heard about these probability distributions? Type in the comment section yes. Have you studied this? Okay, firstly, let me ask you a simple one. Have you studied this Bernoulli distribution? Or have you studied this probability distribution as such? Type in the comment section. Have you studied the probability distribution up till now? It's an important topic, okay? Yeah. Roughly around 8 to 10 marks. 8 marks roughly you consider it. Probability distribution. 8 marks. Okay. And in this probability distribution, you have three types of probabilities. One is Bernoulli, second is binomial, and third one is Poisson. Okay. So we'll study one by one now. Bernoulli distribution is a discrete probability distribution where Bernoulli random variable can have either 0 or 1 as the outcome. P is the probability of success and 1 minus P is the probability of failure. So some books call this 1 minus P as Q also. Okay. Some books call this 1 minus P as Q. So this is called as Q also. Q. So now I see here either two answers should be applicable over here. Either 0 or 1. Remember, important point. There should be only two answers. For example, coin. Suppose if I toss a coin, throw a coin in the air. Okay. So what are the possibilities? Only two answers. Either head or tail. Will you clear your CAIIB? Only two answers. Either you'll clear it or you won't. It's that simple. So only two answers should be possible. Okay. Suppose if I throw a dice. You know that dice we played in our school time. Nowadays also we played Ludo and all those games. So when you throw the dice, then what? Either you get, now there are 6 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll say, how come 2? So that is possible. Either get 6 or other than 6. 6 or other. If I have to get 6 on the top or other, so it's again 2. So that this way these problems are framed. So there can be only two answers. Remember, 0 or 1 as the outcome. P is the probability of success and Q is the probability of failure. Now success means what? Success means that probability which is asked in the question. If they ask you, if I throw a coin and what is the probability of getting a head, then that getting the head becomes the success and getting the tail becomes the failure. Okay. The mean of Bernoulli distribution is Ex equals to P and the variance is P into Q. Means P into Q basically. So Bernoulli is P into Q. Okay, variance. Got it? Simple. Now this dp. So P equals to 1 for n equals to 1 and n equals to 0, it is Q. 1 minus P. Okay. So remember this. Either it is success or failure. Simple. Now next go to this binomial distribution. Now if I go on repeating Bernoulli 10 times, then that is called as binomial. In probability distribution theory and statistics, binomial distribution where parameters n and p is discrete probability distribution of number of successes in the sequence of n independent experiments, each asking for yes/no questions and each with its own Boolean valued outcome. My God, such a big definition, isn't it? Success P and failure Q, 1 minus P. A single success or failure experiment is called as Bernoulli or a Bernoulli experiment, and a sequence of outcomes is called as Bernoulli process. for a single trial, that is n equal to 1. The binomial distribution is Bernoulli distribution. Now I'll explain you in simple words over here. What does it mean? If I go on, when I toss the coin only once, when I toss it only once, then it is Bernoulli. When I toss it more than once, greater than 1, then it becomes binomial. So basically logic is binomial. Logic over here is, if I go on repeating the Bernoulli distribution, I'll get binomial. I'll go on repeating it, okay, for n number of times. So that is the basic logic. Remember that much only. Each trial is independent in binomial because each trial is Bernoulli. Each trial is having its own head or tail, right? So that is binomial. Suppose if I ask you one question, I am tossing a coin 5 times. 5 times. One time I am getting head. I got head over here. Then again I got head second time. Third time also I got head. So now fourth time, can you guarantee me? Everyone type in the comment section. 3 times I have got a head. Now fourth time, can you guarantee me that I'll get a head again? Just type head or tail, or you don't know. Yes or no. Just type yes or no. Can you guarantee me that you'll get a head again over here? You can't guarantee me. Why? Because each trial is independent. Suppose if I get 2 times head, I can't guarantee that third time I'll get a head. Fourth time I'll get a head. Fifth time I'll get a head. So that's why binomial means each time it's a Bernoulli experiment. And each trial is independent. Okay. Now before going ahead, everyone scan these QR codes. This blue one is for our LinkedIn channel. This black one is for our YouTube channel. And this other one, green one, or this blue, this is for our Instagram channel. You should join all these channels, LinkedIn, Instagram, as well as YouTube, because we provided various free YouTube series, number 1. Secondly, we provide with free question banks, free tests on this channel. So that's why join immediately. Okay. Now, binomial, this is the formula for binomial. NCR into P raised to R, Q raised to N minus R, or X we call it. So NCX, P raised to X, Q raised to N minus X. N is number of trials. X is the successes required, successes required. Okay. P is the probability of getting success in each trial, single trial. And Q is the failure, probability of getting the failure. So this is binomial. Now, if you go on in Poisson, in probability distribution theory and statistics, the Poisson distribution is a discrete probability distribution that expresses the probability of given number of events occurring in fixed intervals of time or space if these events occur with a constant mean rate. Now one thing I'll clarify over here, Poisson distribution. Remember, in exam you will always face the problem like how to identify this problem is of Bernoulli, binomial, or Poisson. How to identify that? So to identify that, remember, in binomial, you will always get each trial should be independent. Very important. Each trial means you shouldn't be able to guarantee the next trial whether I'll get head or tail. And for Poisson, always remember there will be something constant over here. Fixed interval, something constant. Okay. Something fixed, something constant, like the like suppose example, you are getting some virus. Every 2 hours you are getting almost 3 deaths or 3 patients, why deaths. Okay, 3 patients every 2 hours I am getting. So this is a constant phenomena. So Poisson will always see this constant phenomena. For example, electricity in a city or in an area. Every day 3 hours electricity is not there. So this is a constant phenomena. From when you get such problems, you understand that it's a Poisson problem. What is the formula for Poisson? See this. The formula for Poisson is this: lambda raised to x, you can call it, or e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. Okay. What is x? Required. X equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever is required. Lambda is a constant thing happening, which is happening constantly. 2 hours, every 2 hours, electricity is gone. per day 2 hours electricity is not there. So that is a constant thing. And E is known as Euler's constant. It is 2.72 roughly. 2.718, it's a big number, but you can consider it 2.72, simple. Okay. So this is Poisson. So binomial formula, what is the formula for binomial? NCR P raised to R Q raised to N minus R, right? What is the formula for this? Poisson, lambda raised to X, or R you can call it. Here, some books call it R, some books call it S, one and the same thing. Lambda raised to R, E raised to minus lambda upon R factor. Okay, what is R or X? It is what is asked in the exam. Okay, so that was the theory part. Now we'll solve some numericals. Okay, so theory, everyone got it? Type yes in the comment section. You must, from this lecture, you must at least understand the formula. And for binomial and this Poisson. Okay, so have you got this now? Shall we move ahead now? Type yes in the comment section. Everyone, yes. Type yes. Okay, move on. Chalo. A coin is thrown 3 times. What is the probability that at least one head is obtained? See here, coin is thrown 3 times. 3 times I am throwing the coin. So 3 times means what? Suppose if I throw the coin only once. Here, once I throw the coin. What is the possibility of getting the answer? Means either I'll get what? Head or tail, right? Simple. If I throw the coin only once, I'll get head or tail. So what are the total outcomes? 2. If I throw the coin 2 times, so again I might get head or tail or head, anything, isn't it? So again, what are the outcomes? 2. Right? Now third time, 3 times I am throwing. Third time. So now look at this. The outcomes over here are 2. So 2 times I am throwing it. But the answer doesn't, third time the answer is not 6. So if I throw the coin 3 times, the outcome is, remember, 2 raised to here. 2 is the outcome for each raised to 3. So the outcome will be 8 possibilities. Now look at these possibilities. See this. 8 possibilities, because I am joining them 3 times. 3 times I am throwing the coin. So there are 8 possibilities available. Suppose if I throw the coin 4 times, then it is 2 raised to 4, 16. Okay. So now find the answer. It is either HHH. See here, 3 times I am throwing the coin. So I can get all the heads also, or head tail, or head tail tail head, tail head, tail head, and all these. Here you see this, these are 8 possibilities available. Now what is asked in the question? What is the probability that at least one head is obtained? At least one head. So now am I having one head over here? Yeah, I am having more than one head. So this is okay. This is okay. Head, tail head, okay. Tail head, okay. Tail head, okay. One head, at least one head I must get. This also. This is not okay, because here I am getting tail. So this is not okay. So how many are the required successes over here? See here, at least one head. So what is the formula for probability? Probability is always the success. Probability equals to success, or P, success basically, upon sample space, total number of elements, total number of sample points, means whatever are the sample points available, or whatever the sample space. So what is the sample space over here? Sample space means total number of outcomes. So how many outcomes are there? 8. So here I am getting 8 outcomes. How many successes are required here? At least one head. So it is 7 successes. So my probability becomes 7 upon 8. So that is my answer, 7 upon 8, right? Now suppose if I ask you, find the probability. Everyone type in the comment section now. Everyone got this problem by now? Got it? Everyone? Now if I ask you, what is the probability that you will get no head? No, I don't want any head now. So at least one head was 7 upon 8. So no head means what? No head. Suppose if you get this question in exam, no head. How will you solve this? It is 1 minus P. 1 minus P. So 1 minus 7 upon 8. So it is 1 upon 8. That is the answer for no head. Okay. If I ask you, I want at least two heads. So in that case, what can be the possibility? At least I am talking, at least. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are the answers. At least two heads, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I ask you two heads, then what will be the possibility? Two heads. So it is, denominator is 8, but here it is 4. So it is 1 by 2. This is the way we must solve these numericals. Okay, at least two heads. If I ask you, you should get at least 3 heads. At least 3 heads. Then what will be the answer? Now you type in the comment section. At least 3 heads. I want the answer for at least 3 heads. Everyone. Yes, at least 3 heads. What is the answer? At least 3. Yeah. So there's only one upon 8, because everyone else is having 2 heads. At least 3 heads means only one, right? Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests. Whatever study material is required for us, including the classes, books, tests, you get it over here only. So download it right now. Download this app. Share it with your friends. Okay. Find the probability of getting a numbered card when the card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Now I want a numbered card. Okay. Numbered card. Now how many numbered cards are there? Firstly tell me. And total is 52. Okay. First remember the probability. Formula for probability is what? Success. Okay. Upon total. Right? Sample space. So total is simple. Total you have got it 52. Right? Total is 52 cards. What about the success? Success is what? Numbered card. Now, how many numbered cards are there? In a pack of 52 cards, how many numbered cards? Here. Numbered cards are, what are numbered cards? Which are having numbers. So, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10, you are having all the numbered cards. After 10, what do you have? You have the jack. You have the queen. You have the king. And you have the ace. So, these are all called as what's here. Remember, there are 3 types of cards. One is numbered. Okay. Second one is, what is this? Anyone knows? Second one? Yes, face card is there, but this is not the answer. Honor card is the answer. Honor card means jack, queen, king, and ace. And last one is face card. Face cards are 3. Only jack, queen, and king. No ace is there. Does ace have a face card? Ace means that Eka, we call it, right? Does it have a face? No. So here, what do I want numbered? Numbered means how many are there? 9. 2 to 10. So there are 9. But 9 in 1. So similarly, you have 4 types of cards, right? So 9 to the 36. So answer becomes 36 upon 52. 36 upon 52. So you go on dividing it. It is what? 4. 4 9s are 4 13. So this is your answer, 9 by 13. Everyone got this here? This is very important concept to understand. Okay? You guys should understand this very properly. Got it? Everyone clear? So these were the numericals which I had told you. Here we were to do theory and numericals. Here all the numericals are not possible to be done in this half-an-hour class. Okay, so that's why what do we do? I would suggest you to join this paid batch, Sankalpa batch. Okay, ABM, BFM, ABFM, BRBL, all the subjects are covered. Mahapack. In Mahapack you are getting multiple batches, plus you are getting ebooks, tests, you are getting the elective also in Mahapack. So that's why join it ASAP. You are getting huge discounts right now, and in Mahapack you are getting double validity also. Let me show you. Let's go to Adda 24/7. One second. In fact, I would suggest you to go through the app. In the app, you are getting, download the app first and then go to Adda 24/7, because in the app you get coin systems. Coin systems give you around 1% extra. So now click on JIB and CAIIB. Okay, on the front page itself, click on CAIIB November. right? CAIIB. Now you see this Sankalpa batch. Click on this Sankalpa batch. You'll see the details here. 300 hours of online live classes, 81 test series, 65 ebooks. Click on anyone. Click on this 65 ebooks. You'll see subject-wise ebooks. Click on this subject now. You'll see chapter-wise ebooks. Means everything is to the level of chapter. Similarly, test series, they are to the level of chapter. Click on this, you'll get it chapter-wise now. So they have come down to the level of chapter. So that's why this is the most beautiful thing, and at an affordable price. What is the price? Look at this, 5519. Okay, 77% off you are getting. Similarly, Mahapack also. If you join the Mahapack, check this Mahapack. I'll show you. See this. If you check the Mahapack, JIB, CAIIB Mahapack. Look at this. Double validity you are getting, and 77% off also. Double validity over here. See this. 600 hours of online live classes, 287 test series, 248 ebooks, all these things. You click on this, again you get it chapter wise. Now look at this validity, 6 plus 6 months. So you buy it for 6 months and you get it for 12 months. You buy it for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. Isn't it? So it's a huge validity offer. Plus 77% off is already there. Click on buy now. Click on continue. Fill in your details and done. Pay it and done. That's it. Okay, so join it ASAP. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, keep studying and do join the batches ASAP because exams are very near. And remember, the subjects of ABM and BFM are not that simple. Every day we are carrying out the series of Sankalpa on the same time. For BFM also same time, for ABM also same time, 9 and 9:30. So follow both the series. Okay, chal bye.